Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix blank white desktop icons on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now this is a blank white desktop icon and I'm gonna teach you how to solve it. At first, just go to Start and right click on it and click on Run. Here, just type app data and click on OK. Now from here, just go inside Local and from here, search for icon cache. And if you don't find icon cache here, just click on View. Then from here, click on Hidden Items. And then you'll see icon cache right over here. Just delete this file, click on yes. Then just close this. Then what you need to do is just go ahead and right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. From here, just expand this. And inside the processes, you need to find your Explorer. So just search for your Windows Explorer, right click on it and click on Restart. Then just close this. Your whole Windows Explorer will restart. After that, just go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix blank white desktop icons on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.